Welcome to my channel. In the channel I produce videos on the latest science and technologies, job vacancies and scholarships and fellowships in different universities in the world. In the present video I would like to talk about why is India facing an oxygen shortage. The second wave of COVID-19 has exposed flaws in India's health system as several regions report a shortage of medical oxygen. Social media is rife with requests for oxygen cylinders, concentrators, as several urban centers are struggling with medical oxygen to treat patients facing a drop in oxygen saturation. Considering there is no shortage in production, why is it that India is running for oxygen? India's daily oxygen production capacity is 7,100 metric tons. Supply available in places very far from demand. Only 5 to 10% of those infected need oxygen support. Issue lies with the supply chain of medical oxygen. Not enough tankers for 24/7 transport. Hoarding of oxygen cylinders, concentrators, another issue. What is India doing to address this shortage? 162 PSA oxygen plants sanctioned by center. India's daily oxygen production capacity is 7,127 metric tons. Official figures indicate until 2019, India required just 750 to 800 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen, while the rest was for industrial use. Since April 18, the industrial supply has been completely disrupted. By April 12, India's medical oxygen requirement had increased to 3,842 metric tons, which further increased to 6,785 metric tons on April 22nd. Siddhartha Jain, the director of Inox Air Products, among India's biggest oxygen manufacturers, told Money Control last week, when you look at it from an all India perspective, we are very comfortable as a country. The issue is that supply is available in places that are very far away from the demand. We are trying to find a way to transport the same, he said. Only 5 to 10% of those infected need oxygen support. Experts say only 20% of people who contract the virus have some symptoms, while only 5 to 10% need oxygen support. However, India currently has 28.8 lakh active cases, which means an estimated 1.4 to 2.8 lakh cases need oxygen support across the country. Issue lies with the supply chain of medical oxygen. LMO is manufactured using cryogenic distillation techniques to compress the atmospheric air, which is fed into distillation columns to get liquid oxygen. The liquid oxygen is filled with jumbo tankers for storage at 180 degrees centigrade and transported to distributors. Distributors convert the liquid oxygen into gaseous form, compress it, feed it into cylinders and transport it to hospitals. Some stock is sold to local vendors. Not enough tankers for 24/7 transport. India has 1,172 oxygen cryogenic tankers for road transport. Before the pandemic, the number of tankers was enough, but now they are scarce. Reportedly, the travel time for medical oxygen from the manufacturer to a patient's bed has increased from 3 to 5 days to 6 to 8 days. India does not have enough cryogenic tankers to ensure 24/7 road transport of medical oxygen. Hoarding of oxygen cylinders or concentrators, another issue. The shortage of cryogenic transport tankers and logistics has increased the time of transport, which has caused a surge in the price of refilling cylinders. Medical facilities located in remote areas are especially facing a bigger crisis due to transportation issues. People have started hoarding oxygen concentrators and cylinders out of panic. This has caused the renting and purchase cost to nearly double. India is expected to receive 50,000 metric tons of medical oxygen through the import route. Nitrogen and argon tankers are being converted into oxygen carrying vehicles. Tankers are being imported and new ones are being manufactured. The Air Force is also airlifting empty tankers to accelerate one-way travel. Trains have also started ferrying tankers. Meanwhile, the government has banned the industrial use of oxygen. The government has also sanctioned the installation of 162 pressure swing adsorption plants to directly use atmospheric air to generate oxygen. For this, the government had allocated 201.58 crores of rupees. As of April 18, only 33 plants had been set up around the country. Sadly, the government took 8 months after the pandemic began to invite bids for the plants. This is the current position. If you like the video, you can share among your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel for the latest updates on COVID and science and technology. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you in the next video.